If CapCut is giving you the dreaded error 4392, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back to exporting your project without the stress. This error is usually caused by a conflict between CapCut's encoding process and your computer's graphics hardware. And the good news is that it's often fixable in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and go into the project that's giving you the export error. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner and click on Menu. From there, go into Settings, then choose Performance. This is where CapCut's hardware and rendering options are controlled. Now look for the option that says Speed Up Hardware Encoding. If this box is checked, uncheck it. This setting can sometimes conflict with your graphics setup and cause export failures, like error 4392. After turning it off, click Save. Now, here's an important part. You need to completely restart CapCut. Don't just close the project, actually exit the application fully and open it again. This helps make sure the new performance setting is applied properly. Once CapCut is open again, go back to your project and try exporting one more time. In many cases, that alone can solve the issue. If the error still appears, the next thing to do is clear CapCut's cache files. These temporary files can become corrupted and cause export problems. To do this, click the delete icon, usually shown as a trash can. Confirm that you want to clear the cache data. Don't worry, this will not delete your project media or your actual edits. It only removes temporary render files that CapCut stores to speed things up. After clearing the cache, restart CapCut again and test the export once more. If you still can't export after that, then there's a strong chance that one of the clips in your timeline is corrupted. This is a little more time-consuming, but it's very effective. The easiest way to find the problem clip is to export your project in smaller sections. Start by exporting them, one by one, to see if a specific clip is causing the failure. If that still feels like too much, try splitting the project in half. Export the first half first. If it works, then the bad clip is likely in the second half. If it doesn't work, the problem is in the first half. Then keep narrowing it down by exporting the first half, Q2, and so on, until you isolate the exact part that's breaking the export. This method may take a little patience, but it's one of the best ways to identify a corrupted clip, a damaged effect, or a problematic piece of media inside your timeline. Once you find the bad section, remove it, replace it, or re-import the file, then try your export again. So to recap, the main fixes for CapCut error 4392 are turning off hardware encoding, restarting the app, clearing the cache, and isolating any corrupt clip in the timeline. In most cases, one of these steps will get your export working again. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.